Hello everyone, I am Rachna Dilip Bhosle. Today I am presenting topic related chemical weathering. Before starting any topic, I would like to introduce my topic, that is chemical weathering. This is done by Rachna Dilip Bhosle under guidance of Pisal sir. Okay, so today I am presenting this topic. Before starting any point related chemical weathering, I would like to explain chemical weathering. So, what is chemical weathering? What is chemical weathering? Chemical weathering is weakening and subsequent disintegration of rock by chemical reaction. So basically, in simple words, chemical weathering is a reduction of chemical reactions, and it is a reduction of rocks by the chemical reactions. These reactions include oxidation, hydrolysis, and carbonation. Now, the reactions such as hydrolysis, oxidation, and carbonation, we will see these terms in simple words. So, firstly, oxidation. Oxidation In oxidation, there is a loss of electrons. It is known as reduction. Also, hydrolysis is a decomposition involving splitting of bond, and there is an addition of hydrogen into them. Then the another term is carbonation. Carbonation is addition of gas to a beverage. So these reactions includes oxidation, hydrolysis and carbonation. These process either form or destroy minerals, thus altering the nature of the rock's mineral composition. It is a nature rock's mineral composition. The, these reactions are including oxidation, hydrolysis, and carbonation. This rock mineral composition is also there. So, there is a all about rocks in this term, chemical weathering. The whatever effect is going to happen, that will be the reduction of rocks by chemical reactions. Then there are number of types of weathering. So what are the four types of chemical weathering? There are different types of chemical weathering processes such as solution, hydration, hydrolysis, carbonation, oxidation, reduction. So out of many different processes, main three processes are solution, hydrolysis, carbonation, and oxidation. These are the main four types, in which there are three main, that is solution, hydrolysis, and oxidation. Some of these reductions occur mostly easily when the weathering is slightly acidic. Chemical weathering, when there is a weather slightly acidic, suppose there is acid rain, the weathering reaction occur more easily. The next term is, how does chemical weathering occur? Now you must be thinking, how does chemical weathering occur? So there are different types of weathering, from which the most important are solution, hydrolysis, and oxidation. So first point is solution. In solution process, there is a removal of rock in solution by acidic rainwater. As I said earlier, if the in weather there is a acidity, the reduction, that is chemical weathering, will be more easy. So if there is a acidic rainwater, removal of rock in solution by acidic rainwater. In particular, limestone is weathered by the rainwater containing dissolved CO2. So, rainwater involving CO2, that is acid rain. When in rain there is a slightly carbon dioxide which is present in the air, that is known as a acid rainwater. And if acid rainwater is present into the weather, there will be the chemical weathering, that is the type of solution, that is type of chemical weathering, that is solution. This process sometimes called carbonation. Carbonation and solution, these are the similar two types of the chemical weathering, so they are also known as carbonation. Then the another type is hydrolysis. In hydrolysis, the breakdown of rock by acid water to produce clay and soluble salt. When there is a hydrolysis, there is a breakdown of a rock by acid water, then there is a formation of clay and soluble salts. Third point is oxidation. The breakdown of rock by oxygen and water, often giving iron rich rock, a rust colored weathered surface. When there is a rust colored weathered surface, there is a oxidation chemical weathering. Then the another here pictures shows solution, hydrolysis, oxidation. These are the three types of the chemical weathering. So here you can observe the difference between these three chemical weathering. So there is a first solution chemical weathering where there are the reduction of rocks, then there is a hydrolysis, then there is a oxidation. As I said earlier, there is a slight difference in a color in the oxidation chemical weathering. So there is a different color than this. Then there is a point, where does it occur? Now you must be thinking, rocks are everywhere, then where does it actually happens? This chemical weathering process needs water and occur more rapidly at higher temperatures. Warm, damp climates are best. So these are occurred. This process happens when there is a rapid higher temperature, warm temperature and damp climates are best. Chemical weathering is first stage in the production of soil. When there is a soil, there is a decomposition of a rocks. Rock is converted into soil, especially hydrolysis and oxidation. So before the production of soil, there is a first step, that is chemical weathering, that is reduction of a rock. Then the chemical weathering is caused by the rain reaction with the mineral grains in the rocks to form new mineral clays and soluble salts. Chemical weathering is caused by rainwater, as I said earlier. The mineral grains in rocks to form new minerals. When new minerals forms, there may be a clay and soluble salt. These reactions occur particularly when the water is slightly acidic. So this was about chemical weathering, and where in this PPT we learnt about where does it happens, chemical weathering, what are the types of chemical weathering. In simple words, we found the what is meant by chemical weathering. It is chemical weathering is a reduction of rocks by the processes such as oxidation, solution, hydrolysis, and many more. um, it is more easy when there is a acidic weather. So this was about chemical weathering. I appreciate Pisal sir for his guidance and help. My thanks for everyone for listening my presentation. I hope this was informative presentation. Thank you very much. This is presented by Rachna Dilip Bhosle. Thank you.